Hello and welcome to another one of our product review and unboxing videos, and today we're going to be looking at the Teng Tools 3/8 39-piece socket set. It's around £60. We bought this from Amazon, and the reason why we've decided to buy this socket set is we have another older one there, and the quality on it's been really good throughout several jobs.
Before we undo this one, we'll just show you this and then we'll go into a bit more detail why it looks the same but it isn't the same. So we've had this about 10 years and it's as good as the day we bought it. The ratchet still works. It's absolutely brilliant, this. So no problems with this. Quality, you can see it's been well used. Teng Tools.
We've used it on many vehicles,
garden,
all sorts of stuff. And it's fantastic.
But we're going to show you why we've got for that. So let's do the box, shall we?
So if you are looking at buying this socket set, then we hope this video is of some help to you in choosing whether to buy it or not.
Now these are not the cheapest socket sets on the market, but you'll only ever buy one once.
Keep moving it around, I need to focus on it. There we go. Right.
So if I come that way then. To get it undone first.
Oh, it's got plenty of sellotape on it.
It's well packaged.
It's got like this cardboard sleeve that sits in.
Right, so that's it.
Nice box with the latches either side. This one has them, but they're broken.
One's broken.
One's broken.
So that's your set. Nice wrench.
Silica gel for moisture. This particular kit includes the various screw tips, Torx, Posi-Drive flathead, and has an attachment that goes into.
It's quite nice.
That's
very useful. So it's got all your bits basically.
CRV full set from 21 to 8. And then we've also got from 8 here. So that's the deep sockets, the short ones. They go up to 22. Extension bar.
Extension bar.
Right angle. That's handy for
moves around.
Pieces.
Yeah. That's to go in there, and you can put a socket on that if you want and get some leverage. That's basically what that's for. So all in all, it's a good kit. So
if you have a look at the wrench, is a bit smaller on this one.
Yeah,
but it's basically the same thing.
To put it on, you just press that button in there.
It all feels and sounds quality.
Yeah, is that a football match? There you go.
Yeah.
In, out. Yeah, it's a nice little wrench. Strong, feels strong. Quite robust.
What's it made from? It's made from like a hard, it's a metal and a hard plastic.
Well, if you look at the bigger one there,
this is a bigger.
This is the old one. You'll see the different size in the wrench.
Yeah.
That's why it's 3/8. Yeah, smaller one, but it's equally as effective. Yeah, and it's the same. If you look, it's just a bigger version. It's the same design. We've had this 10 years plus without any issues. So I can't see why. Even the case is very similar. They've smartened up with a little.
Yeah, they put like a little
logo, which is quite nice. But over and all, yeah. So you're probably looking at that socket set there and saying, apart from the size difference and deeper sockets, why did they go and spend the money on another Teng socket set? Well, it is slightly different. And if you look at it here, you've got that, which is
where's the equivalent?
That one there. So this has got 6 points of contact and slots in and locks in. This has got 12 points of contact. Using these can make it easy to get the bolts out, but what can happen if you use these and you've got a worn bolt, because all those internal edges, the 12 of them, it can round the bolt off, which then makes it, then you need another tool to get the bolt out. With this, with just the 6 sides, just sits on the edges and can't round it off as easily. And that is the reason we bought this, basically, because we had a couple of bolts that somebody else had messed with and was starting to round off, and we were advised by somebody else, start using these if you've got a rounded off bolt. And so we took his advice.
And we bought a socket set, and we thought we would make a quick review on it, just in case any of you guys are thinking about buying one.
And the reason we spent the extra money on it, we know from experience that if you get a cheap socket set and you need to get a bolt out, normally the sockets are made out of soft inferior metal, the real cheap ones, and they will just literally ram that bolt off and cause you a load more problems. So if you can afford it or save up, better get one of these. And the reason we went for Teng again, because like I say, we'd had one for 10 years.
The only thing that's gone on this one, and this is down to us really, is just one of the latches has gone.
I've lost it.
But this has had, I mean, this has had so much. I mean, we could do with cleaning this up.
There's
really.
a logo there.
I mean, this has had like so much use. It's been under cars, and it's been under 6-7 cars. We've done so much work. We've done hundreds of pounds worth of work with it.
That has saved so much money because it's such a good bit of kit. We've never struggled with it, and I'm sure we won't struggle with this either.
So the manufacturer's made a good product, and I highly recommend it. So we bought another one.
It's a really good brand. So if this has helped you along a little bit, deciding what socket set to get, or even buying a gift for somebody, you could help us on a little bit and subscribe to our channel, please. Thank you.
Thanks for watching.